This is an extremely rare car. This is a 1967 Porsche 912 soft window Targa in short wheelbase form. This car runs and drives, but it's ready for cosmetic restoration at this time. Needs paint, needs a new Targa top. Interior needs some attention as well, but the car does run and drive. I would call it mechanically sound. I'm sure it could use some servicing as well. The numbers fall within the correct range to be matching numbers, but we don't have a COA for the car. But to the best of our knowledge, it should be a matching numbers example. As you can see, the seats have some splitting, but it's an extremely original car that's never been restored. Super honest. Five-speed. This is not a car you come across every day. Short wheelbase, 912, soft window Targa.